In an era where digital photography reigns supreme, the Fujifilm Instax series stands out as a delightful throwback to the days of instant film. The Instax cameras, with their charming design and simple operation, have become a favorite among photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. The latest in this line, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 and Mini 12, continue the tradition of offering an accessible and fun instant photography experience. The Instax Mini 11, an upgrade from the popular Mini 9, boasts several improvements that enhance its usability. The most significant of these is the auto exposure feature, which adjusts the shutter speed according to the ambient light. This means better exposed photos in a variety of lighting conditions, reducing the chances of over- or underexposed shots that plagued earlier models. The addition of a variable shutter speed further refines image quality, ensuring that each print captures the moment just as you remember it. Design-wise, the Mini 11 retains the playful, rounded look of its predecessors, but introduces a more streamlined body that's both eye-catching and comfortable to hold. The camera comes in several pastel shades, appealing to a broad audience. Its operation remains foolproof, with a simple button press resulting in an instant print that develops right before your eyes. The Instax Mini 12, released 3 years after the Mini 11, builds upon its predecessor's success. It maintains the easy-to-use philosophy while introducing incremental improvements. The viewfinder accuracy has been enhanced, making it easier to frame your shots. However, some users may still find the camera overexposes in bright sunlight, a reminder that despite its advancements, the Instax series still embraces its quirky, unpredictable nature. Both models use the Instax Mini film, known for its affordability and wide availability. The credit card-sized prints are perfect for sharing and displaying, with a variety of border colors and patterns available to personalize your photos. Whether you're at a party or simply capturing everyday moments, the Instax Mini cameras offer a unique and tangible way to preserve memories. The Instax Mini 11 and Mini 12 are not without their drawbacks. The viewfinder does not always accurately represent the framing of the final image, and the toy-like design may not appeal to all users. However, these are minor quibbles in what is otherwise a delightful experience. The camera's low cost and the reasonable price of film packs make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of instant photography. In conclusion, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 and Mini 12 are the ideal companions for those who appreciate the charm of instant film. They are perfect for beginners and seasoned instant photographers alike, offering a blend of simplicity, affordability, and the sheer joy of watching a photo develop in the palm of your hand. As the latest offerings from Fujifilm, they continue to capture the hearts of instant photography fans around the world.